The human brain. This 3-pound organ nestled within our skulls is the most complex structure known to humankind. It orchestrates our every move, thought, and feeling, yet much about its workings remains a mystery. Like a vast, uncharted universe, the brain holds secrets waiting to be unlocked, secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of what it means to be human. Imagine, for a moment, the sheer scale of activity within your brain. Billions of neurons interconnected in a vast network, fire constantly, transmitting information through intricate pathways. This electrical and chemical symphony is the very essence of our being, shaping our perceptions, thoughts, and actions. Our journey into the mind begins with these fundamental building blocks. Through understanding the brain's basic structure and function, we can start to unravel the secrets behind our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The brain's fundamental units are neurons, specialized cells that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. These signals travel along intricate pathways, forming complex networks that underlie all our mental processes. Each neuron connects to thousands of others, creating a web of unimaginable complexity. When we learn something new, these connections strengthen, like a path worn through a forest. Repetition reinforces these connections, making it easier for signals to travel along the same route. This is how we build memories, develop skills, and form habits. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signaling allows us to perceive the world around us, process information, and respond to stimuli. It is the foundation of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Memory, the brain's ability to store and retrieve information, is fundamental to who we are. It allows us to learn from our experiences, recognize familiar faces, and navigate the world around us. But how does the brain actually form and store memories? The process is complex and involves different types of memory. Short-term memory holds information briefly, like a phone number we just heard. Long-term memory, on the other hand, stores information for extended periods, sometimes even a lifetime. Emotions play a powerful role in memory formation. Events that evoke strong emotions, whether positive or negative, are more likely to be etched into our memory banks. This is why we often have vivid memories of emotionally charged events, while mundane details fade away. Section 4. The colorful tapestry of emotions. Emotions, a fundamental aspect of human experience, color our world with feelings, from joy and love to fear and sadness. They are the threads that weave the intricate tapestry of our lives, influencing our thoughts, actions, and interactions with others. But what exactly are emotions, and how do they arise in the brain? Scientists have long been fascinated by this question, delving into the mysteries of the human mind to uncover the origins and mechanisms of our emotional experiences. Emotions are more than just fleeting feelings. They are complex physiological and psychological responses to stimuli in our environment or our internal thoughts. These responses are deeply rooted in our biology, shaped by evolution to help us survive and thrive. When we encounter a significant event, our brains interpret its relevance to our well-being. This interpretation is influenced by our past experiences, memories, and even our genetic makeup, creating a unique emotional response for each individual. This triggers a cascade of physiological changes, such as shifts in heart rate, breathing, and hormone levels, which we then experience as emotions. These bodily changes prepare us to respond to the situation, whether it requires action, reflection, or connection with others. These bodily sensations are coupled with cognitive appraisals, where we consciously label and interpret our feelings. Emotions serve vital functions, guiding our decisions and behaviors in ways that promote our well-being and social harmony. Fear, for instance, alerts us to danger, prompting us to take protective actions. It heightens our senses and prepares our bodies to either fight or flee from the threat, while joy motivates us to pursue rewarding experiences. It reinforces behaviors that lead to positive outcomes, encouraging us to seek out and repeat actions that bring us happiness and satisfaction. Understanding our own emotions and those of others is crucial for navigating social interactions, building relationships, and leading fulfilling lives. By recognizing and empathizing with the emotions of those around us, we can foster deeper connections, resolve conflicts, and create a more compassionate and supportive community. Emotional intelligence, the ability to perceive, understand, and manage emotions, is a key skill that enhances our personal and professional lives. It allows us to communicate more effectively, build stronger relationships, and achieve greater success in our endeavors. By cultivating emotional awareness and regulation, we can lead more balanced and fulfilling lives. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and reflective journaling can help us tune into our emotions, understand their origins, and respond to them in healthy and constructive ways. In the end, emotions are what make us human. They connect us to ourselves and to each other, enriching our lives with depth, meaning, and color. Embracing the full spectrum of our emotional experiences allows us to live more authentically and wholeheartedly, creating a vibrant and interconnected world. Section 5. The Riddle of Reasoning and Decision-Making. One of the most remarkable capabilities of the human mind is its ability to reason, solve problems, and make complex decisions. This unique cognitive ability allows us to tackle challenges that range from simple daily tasks to complex scientific inquiries. Whether it's figuring out the quickest route to work or developing a groundbreaking theory, our reasoning skills are constantly at play. This cognitive prowess sets us apart from other species and allows us to navigate the world with remarkable adaptability. Our brains are wired to process vast amounts of information, filter out the noise, and focus on what truly matters. This adaptability is evident in our ability to learn new skills, adapt to changing environments, and innovate in various fields. But how does this intricate process unfold within the brain? The brain's neural networks work in harmony, processing information through a series of electrical and chemical signals. These signals travel across synapses, connecting neurons and forming complex pathways that enable us to think, reason, and make decisions. Reasoning involves the ability to think logically, analyze information, and draw conclusions based on evidence. It is a fundamental aspect of our cognitive function, allowing us to understand cause and effect, predict outcomes, and solve problems efficiently. Logical reasoning helps us break down complex issues into manageable parts, making it easier to find solutions. It allows us to plan for the future, solve problems, and make judgments about the world around us. By evaluating different scenarios and considering potential consequences, we can make informed decisions that align with our goals and values. This forward-thinking approach is essential for personal growth and societal progress. Decision-making, on the other hand, involves choosing between different courses of action, often in the face of uncertainty. It requires us to weigh the pros and cons, consider various factors, and sometimes take risks. Effective decision-making is a skill that can be honed through experience and reflection. While our capacity for rational thought is remarkable, our decisions are often influenced by unconscious biases, emotions, and past experiences. These factors can cloud our judgment and lead to suboptimal choices. Recognizing and mitigating these influences is crucial for making sound decisions. Understanding these influences is crucial for making sound judgments and avoiding common cognitive pitfalls. By being aware of our biases and emotional triggers, we can strive to make more objective and rational decisions. This awareness can lead to better outcomes in both our personal and professional lives, fostering a more thoughtful and deliberate approach to problem-solving and decision-making. Section 6. Sleep and Dreams, where reality takes a backseat. Sleep, often considered a passive state, is actually a period of intense brain activity that is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. While our bodies rest, our brains are hard at work, performing a variety of essential functions that keep us healthy and functioning optimally. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories, clear out waste products, and recharge for the day ahead. This process is vital for learning and memory, as it helps us retain information and skills we've acquired during the day. Additionally, the brain's waste clearance system, known as the glymphatic system, becomes highly active during sleep, removing toxins that have accumulated. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of sleep is the realm of dreams. Dreams transport us to a world where the impossible becomes possible, and our deepest thoughts and emotions come to life in vivid detail. Dreams, those vivid and often bizarre experiences that unfold in our minds while we sleep, have fascinated humans for centuries. People have long sought to understand the meaning and purpose of dreams, with theories ranging from messages from the subconscious to random neural activity. Their purpose and meaning remain a subject of debate, but researchers believe they play a role in memory processing, emotional regulation, and creativity. Some studies suggest that dreams help us process emotions and experiences, allowing us to work through unresolved issues and find creative solutions to problems. As we drift off to sleep, our brains cycle through different stages, each characterized by distinct brainwave patterns. These stages include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. each playing a unique role in our overall sleep architecture. During REM sleep, named for its rapid eye movements, our brains come alive with activity, and it's during this stage that most vivid dreams occur. REM sleep is thought to be particularly important for emotional regulation and memory consolidation, making it a critical component of a healthy sleep cycle. Section 7. The power of neuroplasticity, our ever-changing brains. For many years, scientists believed that the brain structure was fixed in adulthood. However, groundbreaking research has revealed that our brains are remarkably adaptable throughout life, constantly rewiring and reorganizing themselves in response to new experiences. This remarkable ability is known as neuroplasticity. Every time we learn something new, engage in a new activity, or even have a new thought, our brains form new connections between neurons, strengthening existing pathways or forging entirely new ones. This ongoing process allows us to adapt to changing environments, learn new skills, and recover from injuries. Neuroplasticity underscores the importance of lifelong learning, challenging ourselves, and embracing new experiences. It reminds us that our brains are not static entities but dynamic, ever-evolving organs with immense potential for growth and change.